Hello Year 2. Today, for our spelling, punctuation and grammar, we're going to go over all of our learning from last week. Your learning question is, can I practice my knowledge of SPAG? And your steps to success are, I can identify an antonym and a synonym, I can use commas in a list, and I can use imperative verbs. Let's go over the word of the week. Last week, the word of the week was contribute. Can you remember what it means? Well done. It means to give something, especially and more often it refers to money, in order to help, achieve or provide something. Let's look at synonyms and antonyms for the word contribute. A synonym is a word or words that have the same meaning. Antonym are words with the opposite meaning. Let's think of some synonyms and antonyms for the word contribute. Give is a synonym because it's similar in meaning. Refuse has the opposite meaning to give. Think of two more synonyms and two more antonyms. Commas. Commas. Can you remember when we use commas? That's right. We use them to separate items or adjectives in a list instead of repeating the word and. Now there's lots of different fruits in this fruit bowl. If we wanted to write a list of the fruits that we see, instead of writing the fruit bowl has oranges and bananas and pears and kiwis and apples in it, you could take out the and replace them with a comma. Let's have a look at how this can be done. So, if we were to rewrite this sentence correctly by removing each and except for the one before the last item in the list, the sentence would look like the one below. So remember, we leave the and between the last two items in a list. And don't put a comma in a list of just two items. Just use the word and. An example is shown below. For tea, we are having tea and toast. So because you got an and in between just two items, you don't need a comma. Imperative verbs. What's an imperative verb? It's a bossy verb. That means it gives you an order or tells you what to do. Sentences often start with imperative verbs. Let's have a look at the ones below. Turn left at the traffic lights. What's the imperative verb in that sentence? Yes, well done. It's turn. That's the word or the verb that's telling you what to do. Let's have a look at the second sentence. Mix the flour and butter together. What's the imperative verb in that sentence? Well done. It's mix. That's what you have to do. Task 1 is to write the word contribute in a sentence. Then write two antonyms and synonyms for the word. Task 2. Look at the sentences below. Separate the items with commas. And task 3. Write a set of instructions on how to cross the road. Remember to begin each sentence with an imperative verb.